Look at this Instagram page that made videos with such an interesting idea and collected a lot of followers. Creating viral ASMR foam crafting and sculpting videos is super engaging. But if you think you need special tools or professional crafting skills to make them, you're completely mistaken. Today, I'm going to show you how to create these stunning, hyper-realistic videos from start to finish for free, using just ChatGPT and Google Flow. Before we dive in, if you're into AI tech and creative content, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the desired channel so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. Let's get started. We open Google and search for ChatGPT. The first website you see is the ChatGPT website. I click on it and enter the ChatGPT homepage. In ChatGPT, all we need to do is type this exact phrase. Provide me 10 sculpture object ideas which can be made from Thermocol and look very realistic and engaging. I click Generate and wait for ChatGPT to give us 10 ideas. It even shows a few images itself, proving it completely understood what we want. I think these 10 ideas are enough. Now let's get a master prompt. In the box below, I type this phrase. Write a professional Thermocol sculpture video prompt for a realistic ASMR crafting video. Subject, object. After typing the prompt, we click Generate and wait for ChatGPT to write the prompt for us. Great, it gave us an excellent master prompt. And just like I wanted, for the parts where we place our subject, all we have to do is delete the word object and write our own item. Nice. It put it in a box, so all we need to do is click the copy option at the top. Now, I go back to Google and search for Google Flow. The second option here is Google Labs, but since we want to use Google Flow directly, we click on that. We enter the Google Flow website. Here, we click on New Project. This page opens up for us. Here, we click on this option and select Video. We choose the aspect ratio according to our needs. Here, I first select 16:9, which is horizontal. And I want to use the Omni Flash model. I set it to 10 seconds, and as you can see, it uses 15 credits. It gives you 50 credits daily, which means with this method you can create about 3 clips for free every day. Now, we paste our prompt right here in this section. After pasting the prompt, all we have to do is replace the parts that say object with our desired item. I head back to ChatGPT, where we asked for 10 ideas at the beginning, and I copied the fourth option, oversized vintage camera. I switch back to Google Flow, delete the word object from the prompt, and type our object's name. I'll place this master prompt in the comments section so you can easily use it too. Finally, we hit Generate and wait for our video to be created. Our video is ready. Let's watch it together. It generated it brilliantly, and I really love it. I definitely suggest you try it out. Now I go back to ChatGPT and select another object. Here, I copy the sixth option, ancient Roman column, and return to Google Flow. I erase the previous object name from the prompt and replace it with this text. This time, I want to create it in a 9:16 aspect ratio, which is specifically for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. I select that, click Generate, and wait for it to make our video. It finished making our video. Let's take a look together. Excellent. This video turned out really well too. I loved this one as well. Now let's create the last item together and see how this one turns out. I copy the 10th option, vintage gramophone, and head back into Google Flow. I replace it in our master prompt. By the way, here's a quick tip. You can upload your own image, Or you can change EPS foam in the prompt to something else like wood or clay, which can give you whole new creative ideas. I click generate and wait for the video to be generated. As you can see, my credits ran out. That means you can create about 3 free videos daily using Omni Flash. If you're doing this for business or heavy use on Instagram and YouTube, you can purchase a paid plan or simply switch to another account. Personally, I think 3 videos a day is enough, and as I said, you can always use another account if needed. Our video is generated. Let's watch this one together as well. Fantastic, it created this one beautifully too. Now you can download it from this section and save it directly to your system. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned a lot about creating ASMR videos using AI. As you saw, by combining the power of ChatGPT and Google Flow, you can create tons of engaging, viral content completely for free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave your thoughts in the comments, and if you haven't joined the Desire family yet, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on upcoming videos. Until next time, take care.